Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is again Sunday and topic as you know is project management. In last two videos I have covered project management, process groups, project management, knowledge areas, and today we are going to discuss the how they collaborate with each other, and that is the fundamental of project management. Let us look at the project life cycle again. Again, we have seen process groups. Again, we have seen knowledge areas. And today, I'm going to show you the chart from the PMBOK 6, which is in front of you, and how these to integrate with each other. As I said in last video, knowledge areas have processes, and each knowledge area will have different processes. So if you look at the knowledge areas here, यहाँ पे जो knowledge areas है, those are integration, scope, schedule, cost, quality, resources, communication, risk, procurement, and stakeholder. These knowledge areas we have seen in last videos. ये knowledge area हमने last videos में देखा है. We also seen knowledge process groups: initiating, planning, executing, monitoring, controlling, and closing. ये है process groups. Now these are very interrelated, and based on this the foundation of project management is built on. ये है फाउंडेशन है जो प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट को बनाता है. सो इफ यू लुक एट इंटीग्रेशन, देयर आर 7 processes in integration. There are 7 processes. Out of these 7 processes, one process falls in initiating. एक process initiating में आता है, one process in planning, दो executing में आते हैं, two monitoring and controlling, and one in closing. So there are 7 processes are in different process groups. Integration की 7 processes. Likewise, scope has got 6 processes, 4 planning में है, and 2 are in monitoring and controlling. So if you look at overall processes over here, total 49 processes are there. Total 49 processes है. And if you look at the important aspect here, almost 50%, 24 processes are in planning process groups. 24 processes जो है वो planning में आते हैं. So that is the importance which is given for planning. How many are there in executing? Thus 10 processes, and monitoring controlling 12 processes. So the strong message here is that we must respect planning, and planning has got almost 50% processes of total project management processes. So this is the foundation. This chart must be here so that we are very clear about how the project management processes are built up. So, or just to elaborate these processes, which are those processes? Now, this will take a lot of time, about time lega, but just to give you again a perspective, ये process groups है, these are all process groups, and these are all knowledge areas on vertical side. Now, I said there are 7 processes. एक process है initiating में, उसका नाम है develop project charter. It will have its own inputs, outputs, and tools and techniques. Like planning में है develop project management plan. In planning there is a process called develop project management plan. Again it will have its inputs, outputs, tools and techniques to get that output. Similarly, executing में दो processes है, monitoring control दो processes है, and closing में there is one process called close project or project phase. So similarly, you can see all the processes like scope. I said 6 processes, 4 in planning or 2 monitoring controlling. 2 are in monitoring control. Which are these processes? Plan scope management, collect requirements, define scope, create WBS. Which are the 2 processes in monitoring control? वो दो है, validate scope and control scope. Similarly, you can get through, take a screenshot and go through all the processes. You will come to know the gist of the project management processes. These are 49 processes, and you can see the vertical column of planning. ये जो vertical column है ये पूरा भरा हुआ है because planning is very important in project management. 10 knowledge areas, 5 process groups, and 49 processes. I hope you got value. Thank you very much. Please follow me on YouTube. Follow करिए YouTube में, Facebook पे, LinkedIn, and ijazkaji.com. Thank you very much for your patience.